My name is Matias. I'm from Spain and I work in Coreso. It's a company that helps transmission system operators in the electrical energy business to transmit their energy, so we coordinate the actions to ensure the supply and to create safe grid scenarios in Europe. And my background is I studied mining engineering, and I've been working in electrical business since 2012. I've been in a Spanish TSO, transmission system operator, and then I had my experience abroad in Belgium since 2018. Before, in my previous company in Spain, I was a power system engineer. So now I'm fully learning and development officer, and I work mostly with newcomers that are focused on power system engineering. I'm working in training and development, and I believe it's essential to positively impact trainees and make the learning experience as effective and engaging as possible. Additionally, I understand that how we communicate plays a crucial role in being heard and ensuring that our message resonates in our audience. What I found in this program was the opportunity to improve my communication skills and connect better with my audience. I remember something that really stuck in my mind from that moment. That is that presentations and communication is not about ourselves. Every time, university, high school, and the years that I've been working so far, I was focusing on myself every time I have to present, how I was doing it, how I look, how I sound, all these things, but mostly about myself. And I remember that quote in the training that is more about the impact that you want to achieve. What is your aim, your message, what you want to achieve with this message? And this for me was a game changer. Yeah, it was kind of eye-opening, even if it can sound obvious or basics. And then regarding the program itself, I would say that I found the mentoring sessions with you, Melanie, incredibly valuable. And also the AI tool to practice, I think is an amazing icebreaker, and it helps to build confidence in a safe environment where you can start alone with your own, just practicing. It's really giving very good ground to then jump on something more difficult like presenting with a big audience. The tool helps a lot to really correct small details, and you can see your progress. And this is really motivating, and then you feel like you are really practicing. When you practice alone at home without an AI tool or without a person that is looking at you, you are not able to realize what are the things that you are not doing well, The videos are funny, and you have this skill to really nail it. And I think the videos are really entertaining and very well done. And also something that I enjoy a lot is the fact that I can do it whenever I have time. So it's not putting much pressure on me, just the pressure that I want to put on it. And I have time to handle it with my duties, professional duties, and also my personal life. Since the moment that I engage in the course and I start applying the techniques and tips that are in the course, this feedback grew enormously. Many colleagues came to me to tell me, amazing presentation, I really like your slides, how they move transitions, and the message is very clear, is very straightforward, and also the way that you present is very nice, how you make it engaging. It's something that you told me at the beginning, is that I still feel nervous and tense every time I have to present. This is what I have changed in my mindset, and now I believe that is natural, part of presenting, to be nervous and tense. I feel more confident in my material and in the way that I approach my presentations. I trust the techniques because I have seen the effect, and I'm more focused on delivering my message with clarity and impact and really nail it. I think my mind is less overwhelmed every time I have to present or I have to prepare an explanation or I want to be persuasive or deliver a specific message, whatever is the goal. The program has significantly boosted my confidence when I'm presenting. My message now resonates more effectively with colleagues. I think the message lasts longer, so people is remembering for longer the presentations. The main impact for me is that now I feel much more comfortable when I have to present. If someone proposes me to present something, I gladly will jump in. I will definitely recommend it to anyone who wants to sound more professional and make bigger impact with their messages, particularly to the people that their work is based on a lot of presentations, being persuasive. And for those people that struggle with presenting, it is important, and sooner or later, at some point, in the professional environment, we will need to use them. Your experience and your supportive approach are among the greatest assets of this course. It's evident how much experience you have, and also you are always there to help. You are flexible and you try to adapt to the trainees' needs. You don't put the pressure, and I think this, at least in my case, is reconforting. So I think there are things in the course that we should learn earlier in age, maybe when we are in a high school or university. It's not the case, but I think this course covers all the aspects that we really need, and then it's just a matter of practice and insist, repeat, review the notes and the course, and get better and better.